Hi dear children, today we are going to discuss the next section of the chapter, areas related to circles, that is sector and segment. Okay, what do you mean by arc of a circle? Arc of a circle. A part of the circumference of a circle is called arc of a circle. Arc means that is a part of the circumference. A part of the circumference of a circle is called its arc, and its length is denoted by L. Its length is denoted by L. So arc of a circle means part of the circumference of a circle. Just look at this figure. This APB, that is a part of the circle, and that is one arc, or AQB, that black portion, and here it is in green portion, that green portion, that is one arc, and AQB, that black portion, that is also one arc. So arc means part of the circumference of a circle. And we have two types of arc. One is minor arc and second one is major arc. Minor arc and major arc. Okay, so minor arc means an arc whose length is less than half the circumference. The length is less than half the circumference. Length less than half the circumference. Then that arc is called minor arc. Then what is major arc? Just opposite to that. If the length is greater than half of the circumference. If length is greater than half of the circumference, then that arc is called major arc. Then in this figure, what is our minor arc and what is our major arc? Minor arc means that length is less than half of the circumference. Here APB, that length is actually half of the circumference. This is a half of the circumference and it is less than the half of the circumference. So this APB is a minor arc. APB is the minor arc and this AQB, that is major arc. APB minor arc, AQB, that black portion, that is major arc. Now sector of a circle. Sector of a circle, that is the portion of a circular region enclosed by two radii and the corresponding arc. Sector of a circle means the portion of a circular region enclosed by two radii and the corresponding arc. Okay, so this portion, this is one radius and this is second radius, and we have one arc APB. Then this portion of this circular region, this region, this shaded region, that is one sector. Okay, so sector of a circle, simply it means the portion of a circular region enclosed by two radii, one radius, second radius, and the corresponding arc APB, that is called sector of the circle. And sector also we have two types. One is minor sector and second one is major sector. Minor sector and major sector. Okay, minor sector means if this arc is minor arc, a sector is called a minor sector if its bounding arc is a minor arc. A sector is called a minor sector if its bounding arc is a minor arc. Okay, so in this case, this APB, that is half of the that is less than the half of the circumference. Like APB is less than the half of the circumference. So this APB is a minor arc. If you have that minor arc, then the sector corresponding to that minor arc is called minor sector. Okay, minor sector means it's corresponding to one minor arc. Okay, and major sector, then we will have major arc there. In the case of major sector, if its bounding arc is a major arc, major sector means if its bounding arc is a major arc, then that is called major sector. So this portion, just exclude the shaded portion, then we will get one section. That portion is called major sector. Okay, that means the sector which is corresponding to this AQB, the sector which is corresponding to this AQB is called major sector. Okay, now we know that this total angle around a point that is equal to 360 degree, and here a sector, the boundary one, we will have two radius and one arc. Then we have one angle here, right? One angle is there, and that angle is called angle of a sector. Okay, an angle which the bounding arc of a sector subtends at the center of a circle is called the angle of the sector. An angle which the bounding arc of a sector subtends at the center. Okay, this is our bounding arc that subtends an angle at the center. That angle is called angle of a sector. Then suppose this angle is theta. Suppose this is theta degree. That means the angle subtended by this minor arc is equal to theta degree. Angle subtended by that minor arc is equal to minor sector. Okay, or minor arc is equal to theta degree. Okay, now what is the angle of major arc then? Angle of the major sector. What is the angle of the major sector? We know that the total angle is equal to 360 degree. Then angle of the major sector equal to 360 degree minus theta degree. Angle of the major sector is equal to 360 degree minus theta degree. Okay, because this total angle is equal to 360 degree and this portion is equal to theta degree. Then if you want to get this angle, the angle of the sector AQB, that is 360 degree minus theta degree. Now, length of an arc. Length of an arc. So if you want to find out the length we will denote it by length of an arc, we will denote it by small letter L. And if we are going to find out the length of this arc APB, and that subtends angle theta degree, then the length of this arc is equal to theta divided by 360 degree into 2 pi r. 2 pi r because that arc is the part of our circumference. Okay, so the length of an arc APB of a sector of a circle with a radius r and angle with a degree measure theta is equal to theta divided by 360 degree into 2 pi r. Okay, then what will be the length of your, this is the length of our minor arc. Then length of the major arc. Length of the major arc, instead of this theta we will have 360 degree minus theta degree. Okay, length of the major arc is equal to 360 degree minus theta degree divided by 360 degree into 2 pi r. 360 degree minus theta degree divided by 360 degree into 2 pi r. Okay. Now, what is the perimeter of a sector? This is the length of the arc corresponding to a sector. Now, what is the perimeter? Perimeter or circumference. Perimeter. Perimeter of the sector OAPB is equal to, perimeter means the length of the boundaries. Here we have one radius and here also we have radius, and this one, the length of the arc, we will denote it by L. Okay, so this is equal to 2r plus L. And what is this L? If we are going to find out the length of the sector OAPB, then this L is the length of this APB, and that is 2r plus theta divided by 360 degree into 2 pi r. Theta divided by 360 degree into 2 pi r. That is the perimeter of a sector OAPB. Okay. Now, area of the sector. Area of this sector. Okay. Area, there is only one difference. Length, we have circumference here. And in the case of area, we will have area formula, that is pi r square. Okay. So area is equal to, here we will have theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square. And if we are going to find out the area of the major sector, then that angle is 360 degree minus theta degree divided by 360 degree into pi r square. Okay. So instead of that 2 pi r, we will have pi r square in the case of area of a sector. Okay. Now, what is segment of a circle? Segment of a circle. Do you have any idea? Arc means that is a part of circumference. Okay. Then sector, that is a part of a circle. And what is a segment? Segment of a circle, the portion of a circular region enclosed between a chord and the corresponding arc. Sector, that is a portion of a circular region enclosed between two radii and the corresponding arc. Okay. Sector, radii and arc. The portion of the circular region enclosed between the radii and arc. That is our sector. Then segment, instead of this radii, we have one chord. Chord and arc. The portion of the circular region enclosed between a chord and the corresponding arc. And the corresponding arc is called segment of the circle. Then in this case also, we have two types, minor segment and major segment. Minor segment and major segment. Okay. So, minor segment means a segment is called a minor segment if it is less than a semicircle. Okay. Less than a semicircle. Major segment if it is greater than a semicircle. Okay, if that circular region is less than a semicircle, then that is called a minor segment. And if it is greater than a semicircle, then that is called major segment. Okay. So consider one circle. Center O, A, P, B, and consider this chord. Okay, this is our chord. AB is our chord, then this portion, this is less than the half of the semicircle. This is less than the half of the semicircle. Then this is a minor segment. This is our minor segment. Minor segment. And this portion is our major segment because it is greater than a semicircle. Okay. So minor segment and major segment. And in some questions, they will ask us to find out the area of this minor segment. Area of this minor segment. So if you want to find out the area of this minor segment, just join that OA and OB. Okay. Now consider this OAPB. What is that OAPB? That is actually a portion enclosed between two radii and a arc. Radii and arc, then that is a sector. Okay, sector. Then this arc is actually minor arc. So this is a minor sector. Then if you want to find out this area of minor segment, we will use area of minor sector minus area of triangle AOB. Okay, this is our formula to find the area of a minor segment. Okay, this is the area of the minor segment. Area of the minor segment is equal to area of minor sector. That means the area of OAPB. That formula we know, theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square, minus area of triangle AOB.